Hi, embedding a forum into your Squarespace website is very easy using Website Toolbox. So let's dive right into a quick tutorial. So in case you do not have an account, you can make one by starting a free trial right here. Since I have one, I'll be logging into my account. Once you're on your Website Toolbox account, click on Integrate, go to Embed, click on Embed your forum, and get embed code. Copy your embed code. Once you have your embed code, go on to Squarespace and go to your account dashboard. Click on your website, go right onto your website and go to Pages. Once on Pages, in your main navigation, click the plus icon and add a blank page. Once you've added a blank page, rename it to Forum and save. On your forum page, click on Edit and Add Section. Go right here and add a blank section. Click here to add a block and scroll right down to Code and Embed. Click here to edit and in Code Snippet, paste the code that you've taken from your Website Toolbox forum. Click right here to drag this all over the screen and click right here to preview. You've successfully embedded your forum onto your Squarespace website. Now we go on and we preview our website and we right click on forum, copy link address, and we go back to where we copied our embed code and we paste the URL right here. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded your forum onto your Squarespace website.